Okay, here we go. A quick wheel tutorial. And we'll start with a sketch on the front plane. And I'm just going to do a 2-inch wheel, which means we're going to want to do a 1-inch tall center point rectangle here. Now, the thickness of the wheel depends on you. For racing purposes, thin is probably better. So let's just do that. How about that? So watch. I'm going to dimension from the top to the middle of the wheel here, 1 inch. Like that. And then I'll just probably come in here with a line tool. I could also use the spline tool. Maybe I'll show a little bit of both here. But, or even just more of a 2-point rectangle tool. Show you what I mean. How about that? Line here, line here, and then there on one side, and then the other side I'll have I'll have a little bit more fun here, get a little wild and do a spline. Probably took a little too much out of that. I'll do a single point spline, so I'll delete that point there. That's easier. There we go. Okay, I like that. And then you'll see this, and then I'll finish this off. And since we're going to use the rotate tool, revolve tool, they will do this. Okay, so here we go. What? And then I'm making a video. And then revolve. There it is. Right? So you can see how to do it. Okay, and you can obviously change it from 1 inch to 2 inches to 1.5, quarter, 7, whatever size you need. You can just update the sketch. Hold on a second. You can put spokes in here. You can do some. You can put a hub offset, which isn't a bad idea, and a hole mounting feature. So I would say it's up to you how you plan to attach this wheel to your car. But I want to kind of show you some options. Thank you. Sketch this face. I can do a, and then I can click on that, extrude it, right, and draft it, opposite. Symmetric. So it comes out both sides, see that? And then symmetric. And I'm going to go ahead and sketch, or actually what I'll do is that point right there in the middle is all we really need to make a hole. And I can just select on the point here. Oh, it's not letting me select that center point because that's the one that comes with the model. You really have to actually make one, turns out. So if I click on this sketch and then just add a point here in the middle, there it is. Now I can use that to make a whole feature. And the size depends. I think a 1/4 inch dowel is what I kind of like, was kind of indicating you could just, for a base, for no better plan, you could just make something like that. I would probably chamfer these edges. There it is. So it's easier to get the thing in. I'll probably chamfer that edge, and that edge at the same time. Go. You can even have it so you can put a rubber band around this exterior to get more traction. Good idea. Feel. Anyways, there you go. There's your wheel tutorial. I hope it helps. And obviously you could put this into, you can now insert this into your car assembly. Let's look at that real quick. So if you have your car body, for example, find one. Okay, I'm trying to find it here. I'm far back. Oh, here it is. Okay. So, I'm going to try to move this so it's out of the way if I can. Sorry about this. There we go. In your assembly side, if I say insert part, and then put it right here at the origin, but click the check mark. And also, I'm going to fasten it or fix it so it doesn't move. Now I can't grab it, can't move. See if I try it. Fixed. Then you could say insert other parts. And if you go home, you will, and owned by me, you should be able to scroll down and find your wheel. Oh, create a new version of the wheel. It wants me to create a new one, and I do. And there it is. I'm just going to go ahead and drop it in like right here. And this is where I can use my Revolute Mate. Yeah, go ahead. So, for example, if I want that to be the center of the back side of the rotation, I can match it with the Revolute Mate to that face right there, right? And I can say, all right, good. And I may want some offset there. So I say offset 0.25, and I have to make that negative. There it is, and it's got a little space now in between. Now you can see one problem with this wheel, at least with the chassis that I had helped you get the model, is it's not fitting. So if that were me, I would think about the way you're going to approach this when you do this race car project. You can obviously make the wheel a little smaller, but it fit, or make another modification somewhere else. Hopefully that makes sense in person. Okay, there we go. I'll finish the video. Happy modeling.